This video is going to be on GPG, how to encrypt files and basic stuff like that on Linux. So, what is GNU Privacy Guard? Basically, it's a program that comes with each and every Linux distribution, and it's a tool for generating keys that you can encrypt things with and identify yourself with. It is used all the time in your computer, even if you don't know it, by your package manager or stuff like that. So in this video, we are gonna encrypt some files and do some basic stuffs in that. But in order to do so, we need to generate a key pair. So a key pair is of course a pair of two keys. Either it's gonna be private and public one. So the public, of course, you can show to other people. It's basically used to encrypt the files, and the private one you should not show because it's actually decrypts the file. So it's important to be confidential. So let's try to generate a key pair. First thing, in this video we are going to generate the one, and that is one important thing. And the second important thing is GnuPG comes with, in some distro it comes with GPG, and in some distro it comes with GPG2, but for our purposes they act the same. The difference is one is newer, one is older. So we are going to use GPG. I'm going to run the important commands. So for generating the key pair, we have to do GPG minus full zen key. So it basically is a simple process. It's one line and the menu. So first it asks for what type of key we want: RSA and RSA, DSA, LEGML, like that. So basically we will go for the default RSA and RSA. The second one is RSA keys like size 1024 to 4096. So always bigger is better. It's more secure, but for our video purpose we will choose the smaller one because smaller means in less time it can encrypt the things. So we'll choose 2048, the default one. Okay. Then in how many days or months or year the key will expire. So basically, let's say the key will expire in a day. Okay. Is it correct? Yes, it is. So GnuPG needs to construct a user ID because you will identify it with your ID. So it's like you will have an ID, a passphrase, and a public private key associated with it. So it asks for the name. So okay, Rishabh, and the email address. So let's say rishabh@local.domain. Don't worry, this they are not going to mail you something. Basically, this is just for your identification. As I told, the key you can use for decryption and your identification. So the comment, a sample key pair. So they're asking it's good. Yes, it is. Okay. So we need to give the passphrase. Basically, when you try to decrypt something, you need to give the passphrase here. So I will give one. Okay. This is a simple passphrase that I have given. So now we have a key pair ready. Now our next job is to encrypt something. So let's go to the documents. In my document, I think I have some files. So let's say I have echo hello there in let's say echo.txt. So echo there is hello there is there in the echo.txt. So where is this echo.txt? Yeah, it is hello there. Okay. So we want to encrypt this, and how can we do so? Is GPG minus R. Now minus R is for recipient, and here you have to give your user ID. So basically here we encrypted with rishabh@local.domain. So I will give that one. Okay, so it will encrypt with that public private key pair. Okay, and then minus E is for encryption, and then the name echo.txt. You want to encrypt echo.txt, so you give that. Okay, it checks for echo.txt. Yeah, echo.txt. Okay, so now nothing happens, but we have a file here, echo.txt.gpg. So basically it's a encrypted file. So this is how you do the encryption in GPG. Now you can of course securely transfer this file to anyone else, and your file is not compromised. Okay, now it's time to decrypt it. Okay, so what is for decryption is GPG minus D. Minus D is for decryption, and the next one is the file name. What was that, echo.txt.gpg, and then minus O. O is for the output file that you want to generate, or maybe you just want the output on the standard output, so no minus O. So basically now it asks for a passphrase, the passphrase that you have given for that ID. Okay, so I will provide that passphrase. And yes, we got the message, hello there. Here the message is, hello there. So basically this is how it generates it, and you can of course output this on in some other file. So basically it's a way to encrypt and decrypt the file. So for example, you are two party are there, so you can provide your public key and they can encrypt the file and send you with the public key, and then here you can decrypt that file using the private key. Okay, the passphrase and the private key is very important, so it should be confidential. The next thing is you should also take care is the next time I try to decrypt it, it doesn't ask me for the password. So what happens for the first time, it asks me for the password, then for some time, let's say an hour, it caches the password. Okay, so for an hour it will not ask me. So this is also something important you should take care of. Basically this can be used by if you want to encrypt maybe some videos, or maybe your mail, your passwords. Okay, so you can do those things with GPG. So hope you learned something. See you guys in the next video.